Inside the engine bay of the D24, two accumulators work together to both help maintain hydraulic pressure and absorb pressure spikes within the system. During operations like carve steering or reaming in tough ground conditions, a scenario known as catch snap can occur. This happens when the spinning drill head hits something solid and abruptly stops. When this sudden stop happens, two harmful conditions may arise within the hydraulic system. First, a pressure spike can occur because the flow of oil being supplied to the rotation motor will suddenly have nowhere to flow when the motor suddenly stops. Accumulator 1 absorbs this pressure spike, helping prevent the pump case from cracking or blowing out seal. Second, a lack of oil to the pump's inlet can occur. Accumulator 2 utilizes its pre-charged pressure in this scenario to help maintain hydraulic system pressure. This helps ensure continuous oil flow to the pump inlet. Without this, cavitation could cause premature wear of internal pump components. In summary, Accumulator 1 acts as a shock absorber, helping dampen pressure spikes within the hydraulic system. Accumulator 2 is simultaneously maintaining pressure on the opposing side of the system by providing an additional boost to the system when needed. Together, these accumulators are designed to provide robust reliability within the D24 hydraulic infrastructure.